Question 1. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. Density equals mass by volume. Arrange the following in order of increasing density: air, exhaust from chimneys, honey, water, chalk, cotton, and iron. Answer. Air is lesser than exhaust from chimneys, is lesser than cotton, is lesser than water, is lesser than honey, is lesser than chalk, is lesser than iron. Air and exhaust gases are least dense. Cotton is light but occupies more volume. Water and honey are denser than gases and cotton. Chalk and iron are dense solids, with iron being the densest. Question 2. Tabulate the difference in the characteristics of state of matter. Answer. Property of solid: fixed shape, fixed volume, negligible compressibility, no fluidity, least kinetic energy, and very small interparticle space. Liquid property: no fixed shape, fixed volume, slight compressibility, fluidity, moderate kinetic energy, and moderate interparticle space. Gas property: no fixed shape, not fixed volume, high compressibility, fluidity, highest kinetic energy, and very large interparticle space. Comment upon the following: rigidity, compressibility, fluidity, filling a gas container, shape, kinetic energy, and density. Rigidity: solids are rigid and retains shape. Compressibility: gases can be compressed most, solids are incompressible. Fluidity: liquids and gases can flow, solids cannot. Filling a gas container: gases expand to occupy the entire volume of the container. Shape: solids have fixed shape, liquids and gases take the shape of the container. Kinetic energy: increases from solid to gases due to more movement of particles. Density: generally, solids is greater than liquids and liquids is greater than gases. Question 3. Give reasons. A gas fills completely the vessels in which it is kept. Answer. Gases fill the container because their particles move freely in all directions and have negligible attraction. A gas exerts pressure on the walls of the container. Answer. The random constant motion of gas particle leads to collisions with container walls, exerting pressure. A wooden table should be called a solid. Answer. A wooden table is rigid, has definite shape and volume, characteristics of solids. We can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. Answer. Air particles are far apart and easily displaced. In solids like wood, particles are tightly packed, needing force to break or move them. Question 4. Liquids generally have lower density as compared to solids, but you must have observed that ice floats on water. Find out why. Answer. Ice floats on water because it is less dense than liquid water. In ice, water molecules form a crystalline structure with more space between them. This reduces density, making ice float on water. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our Get Skill Up channel for more educational info.